It's day 17 of my Christmas countdown, and I'm back at Harbor Freight getting a grip on my holiday shopping. I headed north and had to brace myself when I found this aisle reminiscent of Santa's workshop. The first item out of my stocking was this 6-inch quick-release clamp from the Pittsburgh brand. Regularly $3.49, it was a real steal for $2.99 on the day I visited. It's powder sugar coated to resist corrosion and also has a comfort grip handle for a secure hold of up to 2.5 inches. And it looks like Mrs. Claus just baked a fresh batch of biscuits. I found this 150-piece bag for $7.99. They are available in many sizes, so you don't have to worry. These straight-grained hardwood biscuits expand when used with water-based glue to create a lock joint. Calorie-free, they won't enlarge your butt joints. And what little girl wouldn't want to find a beautiful baby dowel in her stocking? These pins are ideal for furniture building, cabinets, trim, and special woodworking projects. Made of straight-grained hardwood, these fluted dowel pins by Warrior retail at $3.99 for a 36-piece assorted set. Lastly, chip away at your list with this 3-piece chisel set by Windsor Design. Made with durable PVC handles, the 25-degree straight beveled blades are made from heat-treated high-carbon steel for durability. It's a great shaving for $6.99. Hope you enjoyed today's list for Santa's helpers. Make sure you're following to see the rest of the countdown.